In this video, I will show you how to stop Evernote from opening on startup. Start by opening your Evernote desktop app. Once the app is open, click on the Tools option at the top left side of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Open Evernote at Startup. By default, this option is checked, which means Evernote will open automatically when you start your computer. To disable this, simply uncheck the box next to Open Evernote at Startup. If you prefer not to do this within Evernote, there's another way to stop it from opening on startup. Close your Evernote app, then right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. From the menu that appears, click on Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, switch to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of apps that are set to open automatically when your computer starts. Look for Evernote in the list. If the status next to Evernote is enabled, it means the app is set to open on startup. To disable it, right-click on Evernote and select Disable. Once you've disabled Evernote from opening on startup, it will no longer launch automatically when you start your computer.